To make this cane, we shall start first with some white pearl and with some gold. And we make a bullseye cane with the white pearl in the middle and the gold wrapping it on the thickest setting. Then let's reduce a little bit this bullseye cane, and then we shall take a mix of 2 parts gold to 1 part black and wrap the bullseye cane again with the mix of gold and black on the thinnest setting. Remember that you get a line that will help you cut to get the perfect wrapping, and cut in a small diagonal, and then pull together the ends, and then let's start reducing. And we shall reduce the whole bullseye cane until we get about 5 inches. Then cut off the ends that are distorted, and all you have to do now is to reduce various pieces of the cane to different thicknesses. So you can, for example, get it to about 8 inches long, and then cut 1/3 off, and then the remaining 2/3 cut them in half, this is why this is an organic cane. It doesn't really have any set rules. Pretty much all you have to end up with is various thicknesses of this bullseye cane of the same length. All you have to worry about is the length, and to have more than 2 pieces that are of the same thickness. Go anywhere from like 2 millimeters to, I don't know, 5/8, half an inch, thinner than that. The more pieces of various thicknesses you have, the more organic the cane will look. And actually in the beginning I only got 2/3 of the big cane, and I reduced, and then I will get the other 1/3 and reduce that too. But as you can see, I am making different thicknesses of cane of different shapes, because once you're done with getting enough pieces, enough segments, start flattening some of them. Use your roller. You can flatten them between your fingers, but the best is to use your rollers to finish flattening them. After which you start putting them together. Try not to have 2 of the same thickness and of the same shape, one near the other. Try to get as much variation as you can when you are putting them together. So as you can see, I have about 3, the segments are about 3 inches long, and you want them to be a little bit longer, because once you are done putting them together and you are sure that they are well stuck, then you cut it in half and make sure that you don't mirror them. Just put them back together kind of randomly, and then start squeezing them until you get a round cane that you can start reducing. You can cut off the distorted ends, but this is pretty much how it will look, and it makes wonderful veneers. And you can also combine it with various other canes, And one thing that this cane is absolutely fantastic for is for swirly beads. So here's your organic cane. Happy claying!